Hey you guys, welcome to Meg's house, and today we are blow drying the hair. So if you want to see how I got these results, stay tuned. Alright, so my hair is shampooed and conditioned already. I have used the Design Essentials HCO leave-in conditioner and blow dry lotion. I'm using the Carol's Daughter Anti-Frizz smoothing blow dry cream. And I have the generic smoothing serum compared to Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. I get these from Sally's, like the generic version, and some of the stuff that's like name brand or whatever. That's kind of pricey. I'm going to go ahead and start brushing because basically I just applied that all throughout my hair. And I'm going to section. I've been kind of trying to walk around a little bit so it can start like the air drying process, but I'm not going to like section and go sit under the hair dryer just because I don't feel like it. But typically, like with blow drying, it is better to get like some of the moisture off the hair, or at least that's what I've been told is better. But today I have about an hour. So anyway, I'm just going to section real quick and then we'll get started on blow drying. And of course, if you want to see my wash routine, I have a video that I'll either link above or have in the description box. And I also have a detangling video too that I do. And this is like the same process. I might change like the products, but the whole technique and process is the same. So anyway, check it out. Okay, so the hair is all sectioned and detangled. I'm going to take these and just pin them out the way. So I have my blow dryer. This is a FHI, I guess. I had it for a little while. I got it from Marshall's, I think. I think I got it from Marshall's. This is the Heat Platform Nano Weight Pro 1900 Turbo. So it has a bunch of different attachments. Since I'm going to blow drying my hair at home, I'm going to use like this little comb one. There's a diffuser and all of that. And then just the one that's flat. But I find that it kind of makes it just easier considering that I'm doing it myself. Like I think that when other people do it, is they can do like the chase, even though I'm still going to do the chase method, it's just different. Basically, like if I had a brush, I'm like, and I'm using this flat one, sometimes it gets a little hard, whereas the combs kind of make it easier and keep that hair straight. But anyway, let's just jump right on into doing what we came to do today. I'm going to put it on warm. So this first section is done, and as you can see, I gotta back up so you can see because it's a pretty decent length. To say that it's coming from these little turds. I shouldn't call it that. But once I finish with the section, I just like braid it. I guess some people may not like it because they're like, oh, well, you're kind of crinkling your hair. I don't know. It works for me. And my hair feels really soft. Like this feels like it's going to come out good. And it also kind of avoids like the hair getting mixed in with the wet hair. So I'm going to try and show the whole process a little better. just in case I didn't get it on the last shot. So starting off on warm, high. So then I just follow like basically the same process throughout the rest of the sections, and I had a total of 8. So this is 2 down and 6 more to go. I can tell y'all one thing, my hair feels so soft. I'm like, yeah, get it hair, get it hair. Sometimes that's when you know your stuff gonna come out good, because when it be feeling like tacky, like product wise tacky, or dry and crusty, sometimes that means it's gonna frizz. That's not good. All my hair is down. Yeah. I don't know if you can see it all. So it depends on the person. Some people like to blow out. Oh, look. If I did this, it would have to have like a little bit more style. Like at least a cute ponytail up top, a little bun or something. Which might be what it's gonna have to be for a second, because I have to take my car to the shop because I got in a car accident the other day. I have like 12 minutes before I leave out the door. So you know what? We're gonna get our sizzle on today. I'm not applying products because I really don't know what I want to do with this. Like, I don't know if I want to braid my hair and like do a sew-in or crochet or just braid it period, or if I want to flat iron it. I was thinking about flat ironing it. That's when I was saying that it was going to come out so good. Probably a flat iron it, but I kind of done ran out of time now. So when I come back, maybe I can do that then. And the way I figured, guess what? People buying hair so that they have to look like this. So, shoot, I wonder how much money I can get for this yakky. Give it to me now. Give it to me now. Alright. Y'all see my ombre? I'm so undecided about it because I think I'm about ready for it to be gone. But it's only been like 6 months or so. But anyway, so I hope you all got some good tips. I didn't even like make a straight part look. It is what it is. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe.